I'm Madhu Mitsara. My research is social robotic platform to make career advisors for the undergraduate. A social robot is most trending field nowadays that interact with human and each other in socially. Motivations of my research is most of the students have an exact idea about their future career. Since advising depend on the person to person, they don't like to tell the information to others. Recent researchers show social companion robots tend to the form of stronger bond, which is help to address is to share the information easily. Several type of researchers have stated that companion robot have the positive effect on the student environment. Solution for that, we make career advisors. We make social robot platform to career advisors for the undergraduate. Uh, since companion robot gives positive effect of the student environment, so I try to build the robot instead of the software because we can make a software for that that is give the same purpose because I try to build the social robotic platform because it gives the most interaction than the software. uh, so, firstly, robot asks the questions from the student in order to guide, and based on the then questions, robot make a career advisors of the student. Uh, Before the building our robot, we go through the related studies. Firstly, we found a fortune teller. Fortune teller is that predict the career stages given of the user, and that model their career path. For example, they got the linking data, and they got software engineer. Software engineer has software developer, senior of software developer, like that. There are several stages, and they analyze each stages, and also they make a mathematical model, and that is used to the predict next career stage like that. And talking alley is perform by concept of the addressability and headships. There's in here there's a smooth communication between robot and the human. And third one is Jibbo. Jibbo is a famous one that is created by Synthesia. So Jobo is the first social companion robot designed for the home. It can listen, recognize people and accurately deliver message for the right person at right time. And also Subahi, that he was proposed a research career path prediction based on the measuring analyzing body of student performance in higher education. They use artificial neural network to predict career path. This is the our design of the robot. A robot is a tabletop robot that was constructed by using 3D printing phase and also mobile phone holder. And body was made by using plastic material. And wall design may be minimalistic. And we use speaker and mic for getting the communication between robot and the human. And also servo motor use. Give the face-to-face interaction with the robot and the human. This is the fully constructed robot. It has three stages. First one is neural one, and the second one is uh, talking, listening, and the third one is talking. These phases are uh, created by using Unity, and also this is the mobile app that was created by using Android Studio. And and also we get the signals from the Firebase. If we talk, that face change to the listening. If robot talk, that face change to the talking mode, like that. And also this is the overall processing architecture. Uh, Robot conversation was built using TF-Learn in TensorFlow, and also after the conversation, robot gives the most favorable uh, field for the student. by using artificial neural network, and also Google text to speech used to the get speech synthesis of the robot. And also we use addressability and instead of the hierarchy. Addressability means robots identify the target audience, and state means state of here. In order to build the uh, in order to build the model, we need to large data set. So we prepare the questionnaire to collect the data from the student who are currently in the academic field and as well as relevant in industry. uh, our target job roles is software engineer, business analysis and content engineer and academic field. And also we collected several types of employability characteristic form 202 per person by questionnaire. Current designation, specialization, major in specialization means special, general, and honors degree, and also class obtained bachelor of degree like special. Like first class, second upper, lower like that, and communication status high, moderate, low, and extra courses done during the academic field like Java courses, management related courses, and result obtained the computer science subject obtained from the bachelor degree like Java database result, and also tools and technologies used in the computer science project, and skills and number of academic publications. To build uh, to identify the features from the above for collected data set, we applied hypothesis test statistic by using chi-square test. The statistic construct by using Minitab. And also we get the H note as there's a association between the feature and the designation, and H note as there's no association between feature and designation. Uh, Chi-square test is represent the relationship between two nominal variables. So if the observed chi-square statistic of each feature was compared with the critical value 3.84, if the observed chi-square statistic is greater than the critical value, the hypothesis can be rejected. We got association between the designation and the result, like specialization, class obtain the degree like that. Mm. And to build the artificial neural network, so we use supervised learning technique because we know the target response. Our target responses are software engineer, quality assurance engineer, and academic field as well as business analysis. So we use supervised learning technique, and also Google Colab used to train the model, and also degree type has three categories general, special, and honors degree. So machine learning algorithm understanding harness of this relationship. So we encoded using one hot algorithm, and other variables coded 1 to 2 and 1 to 4 according their responses. 1 to 4 according their responses. This is the artificial neural network. Input layer has 15 neurons and two hidden layers contain 15 neurons, and also four and 4 neurons for the output layer. In hidden layer, we use ReLU function that gives the most performance, and also output layers use the softmax layers. Softmax layers softmax layers because the softmax layer function provide the probability distribution of the events over the n different events. So overall the artificial neural network model has reached the best prediction accuracy of the 90% through the limitations. This is a conversation model. Conversation model constructed by using TF-learn model in the TensorFlow, and JSON file can use to dialogue between the robot and human. That include tags, patterns, response. Tags mean number of patterns, number of questions. Patterns mean represent a student conversation. and response may represent robot conversation. And pattern was extracted by using NLTK tokenizer. Tokenization is the if we have large big sentences, it was tokenized by the two tokens. And stem in the word stem in means if we have this like word like special, it is stamped to the SPIC like that, and encoded word is by using one hot algorithm, and word is feed into the TF-learn. And this is the TF-learn model architecture. Input layer consists of word list and three fully connected layers. It can contain 8 neurons, and the output layer 12 number of neurons for the tags. And also activation functions of the output layer is softmax. And JSON file is trained using TF-learn model to take sentences of word and that classify into the tags in the file. This is the experimental protocol. Uh, Performed by using 15 students from the final year who are doing the computer science in the university. Reason for getting the final year students, so they are seeking from the job, and they don't have any idea about the IT industry. And also after the experiment, the student given a structured questionnaire. Questionnaire contained three categories: animacy, interaction and conversation, technology and usefulness. The critical questions asks 0 to 4. Uh, animacy contain if accept the robot like that. Interaction contain if conversation robot and impressive like that. Technology usefulness, you did you ask the robot questions, predict the future career like that. And also uh, after that, we collected the feedback, and we analyze using the opinion score. 0 is the not at all, 4 is the complete. But in using this figure, uh, we can conclude that all the majority of students accept the robot, and the conversation was carried out smoothly and found the robot was interesting. And also most of the robot accept the facial behaviors like neural listening and talking, and whole appearance of the robot has the friendly view. And prove the result observed in mean opinion score, we can conclude that every student has a useful conversation with the robot. The students were asked to write the target career before the experiment. At the end of the conversation, robots gave the career path prediction for the student. The robot was able to predict the careers 80 students correctly. And also 7 students that robot gave the difference predictions. So uh, and also compared to the other country, Sri Lanka is still in the beginning stage of their robotics. So therefore this type of interaction and technology is new. So due to this reason, they maybe take time to accept the decisions of the given by the robot. So is the the aim of our study was to construct the career guiding companion robot to the undergraduate student in the university. Robot design is minimalistic, and it has the friendly facial behaviors, neural listening, talking, and robots make a face-to-face interaction by managing motor skills, and take the feedback from the animacy interaction and technology the robot in the testing field. Initially, the target career of the each student was recorded. Throughout this testing time, students were actively interact with the robot. From the 15 tested students, the robot was able to predict the job of the 8 students. From the questionnaire, we can conclude that majority of the students accept the robot and understand the robot, and they had useful conversation with the robot. This is future work. This study did not test the correctness of the student answers. We wish to add the another validation question set for the correctness of the student answers. And this research should be broadened by testing with more students with the student not limited to Sri Lanka, that gives the most accurate test result. And also, we published the paper in the Springer Conferences HGR International 2020, which is held on July. Thanks for the support in for my research for Dr. Ravindra sir, and also thank for the all lecturers for the support in me. Thank you.